Hey everyone and welcome back. I'll show you a quick and easy way to log out of all devices on Snapchat and keep your account secure. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once it opens, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, look to the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. This will open your Snapchat settings menu. Now, scroll down until you find Session Management and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all active sessions connected to your Snapchat account. The device you're currently using will appear at the top. Below that, you may see other devices that have logged into your account. If you notice a device you don't recognize or simply want to log out of it, just tap on that session and remove it. Snapchat will instantly log that device out, keeping your account safe. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of Snapchat on other devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.